Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. You are watching Devs on YouTube channel. So today in this video I will be sharing about what is Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program and how you can enroll in this particular program. So first I will be going through the unboxing of whatever the swags that I've got, and after that I will let you know what all things are included and how you can do all these, how you can enroll in the program, what all things are included in this particular program. All right, let's get started with today's video. So this is the pack which I received. As you can see, we have two boxes, we can say one bag and one box on which we have Google Cloud Ready written over it. Okay, let's unbox it and let's see what's there inside, this pack. So here we have one bag, as you can see, which Google Cloud written over it with a badge of cloud. And in the second one, let's open it up. So here we have two things, I guess. Yeah, this is one t-shirt. I guess. Just open it and let's see what's how the t-shirt. So here is our t-shirt. Again, here we can see hashtag Google Cloud Ready. And in the second pack, we have one bag, a small bag, or you can say just a bag with some chains and all. So you can see we have one backpack. Okay. Apart from this, we have some more things. Let's see what's there in the box. So we have one badge, Google Cloud badge, and we have some stickers, two stickers. We have one card. Okay, so yeah. So we all these things we have one pen also. So all these things are there included in this pack. Okay, let's see how you can enroll in this. Since it was launched in April 10, 2021, so now it's closed as of now. But to give a short, description what it is. So basically, you will be solving labs, and after you solve some labs, so you will be getting some badge in the quick lab account. So basically, here is the quick lab. So you need to solve all these, track. So basically here you can see there is some quest and there is some skill batch. So in the quest you will be getting all the details like what you need to follow from the scratch. So here is it is something like looks like this. So it's just a quick tour of quick lab and Google Cloud. So you need to complete the task. Here you cannot see any task, but in any other lab there is some task, and if you complete that particular task, so you will be getting the points. And when you complete the labs, you will also receive some badge. As you can see here, you will be getting some badge as well. So this is how you can complete the labs. Okay, so basically there in this program we have four milestone, and if you complete all the four milestone like according to the particular milestone that you have completed, you will be getting some prize. So as you can see, for milestone 1 you need to complete 8 quest and 4 skill badge, and for the milestone 2 you need to complete 16 quest and 8 skill badge, and for the third milestone you need to complete 24 quest and 12 skill badge, and for the ultimate milestone, that is the fourth milestone in another way I can say, so you need to complete 30 quest and 15 skill badge for this. So this is okay. So for the one who complete the fourth milestone, or you can say the ultimate milestone, there is some more thing that is free access to Google Cloud Career Readiness Program. So currently, I'm member. Like you can say, I'm a student of this program. I'm doing this Career Readiness Program as well. So what happens is when you complete the fourth milestone, after that you will be given one form like whether you want to pursue which track. So after this particular form, they will select 1000 member, like whatever the number of applications they received all over the India, they will select 1000 members, and after that you will be getting some courses on Coursera. Basically, I got just these five courses that I need to complete, and after this, there's one more course over here. I'm getting this access for 4 month course for this Google Cloud is like Google Associate Cloud Engineer track. And yeah, this is one benefit who completes the fourth milestone. Okay, so I think this is clear, but as of now it's closed. Maybe next year it will again come. So then you can apply. And for the recent one, you will be getting like 30 days of Google Cloud. So you can enroll in that as well. So for this video, I hope I am clear. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me there in the comment. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.